Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook lean turkey. First, let's talk about preparation. When selecting ground turkey, aim for a lean option, ideally with 7% fat or less. This ensures a healthier meal. If your turkey is frozen, remember to thaw it completely in the refrigerator beforehand. This step is crucial for even cooking. Finally, gather your essential cooking tools, such as a large skillet and a sturdy spatula, to get started. Now, let's get cooking. For a delicious result, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once hot, add your ground turkey. Use your spatula to break the meat into smaller, even pieces as it cooks. Continue to cook for about 8 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally, until the turkey is uniformly browned throughout. This method helps achieve a nice texture and even cooking. Lean turkey can sometimes be a bit dry, but we have some great tips to keep it flavorful and moist. Try adding aromatic vegetables like diced onions and bell peppers while it cooks. They contribute wonderful flavor and texture. To prevent dryness, stir in about a 1/4 cup of broth or water. Don't forget to season generously with your favorite herbs and spices, such as garlic powder, onion powder, or paprika, to truly elevate the taste. Finally, let's ensure your lean turkey is perfectly cooked and ready to enjoy. The most important thing is to make sure the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Visually, the turkey should be uniformly brown throughout, with absolutely no pink visible in the center. Before serving, remember to drain any excess liquid or fat from the skillet. Now, your perfectly cooked, flavorful lean turkey is ready to be incorporated into your favorite dishes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.